Hey guys, look at
Welcome to the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakira. I'm back with another video. So today, as you can see, I have. What is your name, little boy?
Gecko.
AKA Aaron. I almost said Aaron. And
Spider-Man.
AKA Aaron. And today we are going to be making deep fried Oreos. So yeah, for the Oreos, all your oats.
Hey!
I just kind of ate some, but it's what it is. So I'm just about to tell y'all what you're gonna need for this. Is very simple. Huh?
Because my eyebrow here. Welcome to Steve Harvey Morning Show. Steve Harvey Morning.
Steve Harvey Morning Show. Is that what you said? Oh, so you're gonna need oil in a pan or a pot, whatever. I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna already put it on the stove and get it hot, and you know, ready.
Yeah. Yeah, get ready.
Alright. So what we're gonna do, Aaron, you're not in the video. I'm gonna use biscuits, okay, and then I'm gonna use some milk, and I'm gonna have the kids mix it or whatever. So.
I'm in your teeth. Look it off.
Don't lick it off. It's my lord.
Yeah, I told you he's crazy. Yeah, I told you I'm crazy. Can I help you?
Nope. Okay, hold my hand. Okay, now it's kind of liquidy. And that's what I'm hitting at.
Okay, can I eat one? Can I eat one?
Eat it so I can't remember how it tastes.
Good. Good.
Okay, so now we're gonna dump the Oreos in. I think I'm just do this because they don't know how to act. You gotta make sure you don't get the cut like ones that are broken. Yeah, I got real quiet. It's good. It's good. How many of us is in the house? Is it? It's Aiden, Aaron, me, Auntie Kalanja, your mommy. I don't think Grandma wants me, but I'm gonna count her. Grandma and Granddaddy. How many people is that, Aaron? Look, how many people is that? Look, count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
Alright, so I put, wait, I didn't even count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, perfect. So I put them in there and I'm just gonna, stop it, Aiden Braylon. I'm just gonna mix it.
Got some juice.
Nope.
I'm going to ask my mommy.
Go ask your mommy, I don't care.
Got me some ask my mommy.
So yeah, I'll be back with you guys when it's time to deep fry. We're just waiting on the heat, the oil to heat up. So I was like, I just gonna be stupid. They had to pick up noodles off the floor because for some weird reason he decided that food goes on the floor. Stop! Okay, y'all, so the oil is ready. Ready.
Like ready.
Ready. Okay, so here it is a little bit. So I do 3 at a time. And y'all, the first batch is probably going to be a little more like, I'm not gonna say on the burnt side, but you know, a little more crispier because the oil was like really hot, y'all. Like it was over here smoking. So, oh, but it looks so pretty. Look. Yay. So you just gonna leave me to cook it all by myself? You not helping no more? You want to look at John Cena in wrestling?
Yeah.
That's more important than cooking Oreos with your auntie? Is that more important?
Yeah.
That's more important?
Yeah.
Wow. So it's like that?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. I'm going to use this on there. I just put a little sweetness on it. I feel like Aaron's going to be real happy. Aiden, not so much because he don't really know what it is. But Aaron, he knows it's sweet. So he's going to like this. So I'm going to just put it on there, you know. This is what you put like on funnel cake and stuff like that. I don't want to bring the whole bag out because it might not go back in. That's just how it looks. Okay. So, bam.
Yeah, you're the best.
Oh. Thanks, love.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
No, I think it's gonna taste back. I'm not eating
It
it.
was hot.
It's back. It's back. Yeah, me too.
Ooh. I'm cutting out y'all because y'all lying and capping. And you only saying it's nasty because Aaron's saying it's nasty. Alright guys, so that's in this video. And Aiden is over here eating it. Alright guys, so that's in this video. So if you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave that comment, hit that sub button, come part of the squad to get in the crew. Make sure you follow me on my social media platforms to be right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and down the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. He's eating something. Look, he has like donuts and powdery stuff on it. I wonder what he's eating. Let's see. Oh, you're eating the fried Oreo, aren't you? Wow, I thought you didn't like it. I thought you didn't like it. But here you are eating the fried Oreo. Wow. That's what we do.